Hi guys, my name's Amir and welcome to another video today where we're going to look at this beautiful Mercedes A-Class that we fitted a completely custom steering wheel to. So let's head in and take a look. So here it is, the beautiful Mercedes wheel that we fitted to this car. So customer has decided to go for a really nice, traditional, classy spec. So we've got carbon fibre up at the top here and the bottom with the perforated leather on the sides. They've also decided to go for a great choice, which was the extended carbon fibre shift paddles with the red plus and minus. All tied in really nicely by the centre airbag cover with red stitching and black premium leather. We've managed to retain all of the functionality of this wheel by using some of the existing buttons and using a black fascia panel for the button set. It's overall looks absolutely amazing, really suits the car and sets it off to be a unique piece. So that concludes it for this video. We've had an absolutely amazing spec on this steering wheel, but if you want to choose your own, you can design it on our custom configurator on our website. Have a look through it, design it for you and your car, and make it look perfect just like it does in this Mercedes. And thank you for watching today's video, and I hope to see your car in soon.